Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I want to show you something super neat. We have ourselves some truck bed lights. These are great because they go right inside the bed of your truck and they light things up. You've got 2 strands of 4 pods of light, as you can see right along the top right up here. So on the back you can see you've got your truck bed without the lights, truck beds with the light on. That's awesome for at night if you need to get something out of the back of your truck. You just stick them right along the side of the bed. That said, if you need this or any other part, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.